Yes, next topic we are going to do, that is abacus. 3000 BC. BC stands for before Christ. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculations developed in China. Now you can see this type of structure. This is known as abacus. This was the first calculating device, means calculations were done using this device. And it was developed in China. It was made up of wooden frame. You can see here wood is there around with rods. These lines, black lines are there. These are known as rods, each having beads. Now you can see these beads are there in between these lines. The frame is divided into two parts. First part is this one, second part is this one. A line is there to divide both heaven and earth. Above side is known as heaven and down side is known as earth. Each rod in heaven has 2 beads and each rod in earth has 5 beads. Now you can count here. Here 2 beads are there in heaven and 5 beads are there in earth. Now come to next page. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What things you could do in that? Addition you can do, subtraction, multiplication and division. Next one is Pascal's calculator. Now abacus was the first calculating device. This one is the second. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, invented an adding machine called Pascal's calculator or Pascaline at the age of 19 in year 1642. Now you can see this type of picture is given. This is known as Pascaline. At the age of 19, he discovered it. It used gears, wheels and dials. You can see on the structure wheels are there, dials are there and gears are there. Numbers were displayed by rotating the wheels. When we rotate, these wheels are there, round shape. When we rotate these wheels, numbers were there which were used for addition, subtraction only. Abacus were used for 4 things: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. But in Pascal's calculator, this is the second one. In this, only 2 things were performed, that is addition and subtraction only. The gear principle was further employed in many mechanical calculator. Taximeter is a perfect example of mechanical calculator. Now you can see that taximeter. Taximeter you have seen in taxis, a meter is there. It is this type, it works on this principle only, and it is an example of Pascal's calculator. Next one, third one is Leibniz's calculator. You can see the structure here. It was developed by the famous German mathematician, improved on Pascal's machine in 1671. Leibniz's calculator was a mechanical device. Now who developed it? Leibniz developed it, and he was a German mathematician. Mathematics he knows very well, and it was developed in 1671. Apart from performing addition and subtraction, the Leibniz calculator could perform multiplication, division and find square root. Now we have learned that in abacus 4 things were there: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Second one was Pascal's calculator. Only 2 things were there: addition and subtraction. But in this third one, 5 things were there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square root. Next one is difference between difference engine and analytical engine. Charles Babbage. Now this is the Charles Babbage. He is also known as father of computer. He was a British mathematician. He invented a working model of mechanical computer called the difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Now he was the person who developed 2 things. One is difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine has 5 units. 5 things were there: input, output, store, mill and control. These units work like the modern computer. All the computers which are used nowadays are based on it. Now nowadays LED, LCD, whichever computer we are using, it is having these 5 things. Store was for storing. Now input means whatever we are entering through keyboard or through mouse, whatever we are entering. Output means what result is there. Store means to store data. And mill is the calculating unit. Calculating unit means Like if you buy vegetable calculating unit is kilogram, grams, like this. In the same way, in computer, for calculation it is the mil unit, like meter, centimeter, kilometer, these are the units, but in computer it is mil. Last one is control. Control unit was used for supervising all the unit. Supervising means take care of these all four things: input, output, store, mil. These four things were seen by control unit.